off what's happened and what I'm looking at the moment. So we had a nice closure. Let's just start at the top. So on the hourly, we swept above this high, swept above this high, closed below, and ultimately closed below these last up close candles. Strong push down, so we've taken out the Asia low, so that can be deleted. And on the 15, it's been pretty much falling down. On the 5-minute, I've just been watching to see where a clean sort of entry could be. So obviously price has been waiting for these pullbacks. We've pulled up, closed below. So there was a block there, but I didn't like the look of it, so I didn't take it. So we've got this block here. That was tapped. So we had this little pullback, swept above, pushed down below. And this block here also, let's just get rid of this one, sits within this candle. So the other thing that I've noted just from those videos, that if we're going to be continuing, price should be respecting the 50% of the previous candle. So we can see this last 50-minute candle, price pushed up, took some liquidity, respected it. Obviously a bit of a stronger push down here, but price is sort of, it almost tapped the entry, almost, not quite. So I'm just watching price. So if price pushes up, this is the order that I've got set here. And just with the order flow at this point, if I'm wrong, I'm happy to be wrong here. Forget this one. And then failing that, if price, for example, is able to break below this nice candle here, then I'd look for an entry after we've closed below this low. So again, prices swept the high. Let's just get rid of this fib because that's getting a bit confusing, isn't it? We've swept any sort of liquidity, obviously, albeit on the 5-minute, but price is moving quite fast. Down here, so this should be a protected high, close below here, and yeah, just waiting to see if this taps in. Again, this could be the bottom of the overall sort of range. However, we still have a lot of liquidity resting below, and again, vice versa to the last couple of days. Price has just been pushing and pushing, pull back, go in, pull back, go in, pull back, go in. Theory being, if price can pull back, we then look to continue this down. So yeah, that is where we are. Let me just have a quick little look on the old MetaTrader. Again, strong hourly push down, so we expect some pullback on this. But again, if we look at the daily as well now, when we're on the hourly, this could potentially be the sort of quote-unquote turnaround. So we'll just see what happens here. And just see what happens. So yeah, it's slowly getting there. Right, so that has tagged in on my MetaTrader, so that's that. So yeah, we'll see now if this plays out or not. And again, it's just trying to play the overall momentum that's that is occurring. So yeah, that is the trade. Just take some screenshots of everything and see if this continuation plays out for a 3R. So let me just get that 3R. There we go. And yeah, we'll do that. Obviously, tomorrow being Christmas Eve. Not really sure what the market hours are, so we'll see what happens. But yeah, like I said, bit of consolidation, swept, close below, strong momentum. And like I say, realistically, I'd anticipate eventually this price go. I mean, that there would be ridiculous. I mean, at the very least, sort of the London lows obviously got to have some sort of pullback. But yeah, that's the trade on the 5 minute because of how strong price has been doing. And well, just be nice to get a little win and know that this sort of stuff on these continuations does work and does play out. And I'm going to stop waffling.